Who is it? Who's there? It's you again.
Yes, I follow you everywhere.
Thank you for following me because you followed me to this amazing new hotel in San Miguel de Allende. We just checked in, Mark Porter and I, to the Live Aqua Urban Resort in San Miguel de Allende, a historical town in Mexico that's been voted the best city in the world 2 years in a row by Travel and Leisure. So come on in because this room is amazing. First time at this hotel because it just opened in November of 2018. And the first thing you notice when you come in is this magnificent bathroom. Check this out. You have a glass partition that partitions it off from the main part of the room. And the first thing you notice probably is this gigantic tub.
Get in there.
Which I will get in later. I'll have a bubble bath maybe.
You got a rubber ducky too.
Yeah, and this is something that Live Aqua always has in their rooms because I stayed at the Live Aqua Resort in Cancun also. They always give you a nice little rubber ducky so you can have fun in the bathtub. But also look at the tiles, right? Mark, you like these tiles?
Love.
Yeah, the tiles are gorgeous. Mexico is known for its beautiful tile work, I think also. I also like the hanging lights here. There's a lot of beautiful lighting in this resort, I've already noticed, so that's nice. Dual sinks here, molten brown.
Oh, look at that, how they put your...
Yeah, the amenities in a nice box.
Gorgeous.
And Molten Brown, I believe, is a recognized brand of bath amenities, right? Anyway, so that's good. And then we have two, if you don't want to use the giant tub, if you're in more of a hurry, we have the nice, Mark's knocking things over already. The nice shower stall that's covered with the beautiful tiles, right? So that's nice. And back here, behind this mirror door, you have the water closet, which is also important, with tile there too. But now let's go to the main room.
Look at the gorgeous
the mini bar and a cabinet here. Lovely colors. The wood floors, right? We like those too, right, Mark?
They're gorgeous. They're
I need to find out what kind it is, but it's beautiful. Mark's a hand model. Anyway, so now look at this. A lot of really nice artistic details here. You have a hat, which you can take home if you want to buy it.
Oh, you look good in that.
I look like Lauren Bacall. Anyway, and there's a lot of vintage things here too.
Nice
vintage
trunk.
repos. So you have a nice trunk, which I need to travel with. This is another cool vintage but modern thing. Here I am in the mirror. An actual turntable.
Yes,
which is really fun.
Does that mean we have to get records?
We definitely, no, because look.
Jimi Hendrix.
Jimi Hendrix. There's classical, there's ABBA.
There's ABBA.
Classical music. So you can create your own musical style here, whatever you want. So now, take a look at the main bedroom here. We have the curtains closed just so the light from outside doesn't affect the look. But I love the wood headboards, and there's reading lights. There's photographs from around San Miguel de Allende, which is really nice. And
the TV's not big enough, though.
The TV's really tiny. I mean, look at this. It's just as large as bigger than the Mona Lisa or something. So now, this will be nice to watch, when we're lying back in the beds and everything.
But show how the TV disappears.
Oh, this is very cool too. I'm glad you reminded me. If you don't want any TV, you don't want to be reminded about the existence of TV, slide this on over, and then you have a saying from Mexican author Octavio Paz. La mucha luz es como la mucha sombra, no deja ver. I think we translate that as too much light is like too much shade. It doesn't allow you to see. That is your deep thought for today. So I want you to think about it, and you send me a message when you figure out exactly what that means and how it applies to your life, people. They also have been very gracious to us here at the Live Aqua. Champagne, so we will be popping the cork in a little while. I like the chairs too. I love all the furnishings here, I have to say. I love the woods that they use and all that. Then we also have a nice view, right, Mark Porter?
Yes.
So let's go check out the view. There's a guy walking by. It's like a reflecting pool, I think we call that, maybe, right? And what are you excited about, Mark?
I love swinging chairs, and there's all kinds out there waiting for me to swing by the beautiful reflecting pool.
So the cool thing about this hotel, it's brand new, opened in November of 2018, and it kind of combines vintage and historic elements because we're in historic San Miguel de Allende, but it also has a lot of obviously modern touches. The architecture has some modern touches to it. So it seems like a really pleasant and attractive combination, wouldn't you say? They do a good job.
It's gorgeous.
Yeah, and and it's walking distance to all the historic activities and sites and restaurants and shopping that makes San Miguel the best city in the world according to Travel and Leisure. And what else did we want to talk about? Is that it?
Well, I think it's time for your bath, isn't it?
Yeah, I need to get in there with the rubber ducky now, so I think I'm going to have to say goodbye to y'all. We have some nice bathrobes here and everything, too.
Oh, show the beautiful bathrobes.
Yeah. Bathrobes are nice. I never wear them at home, but in hotels, these are cool. They're almost like
They're fleece.
Is that what it is?
Yeah, like sweatshirts.
And it has the Live Aqua logo here. So, Live Aqua has beach resorts in places like Cancun, but they also have urban resorts in places like Mexico City and San Miguel de Allende. So I'm very excited to be checking this out. So stay tuned for more from San Miguel de Allende. And what am I supposed to do now?
No, the light was from the window.
Oh, okay. Anyway, thank you so much for joining us. Stay tuned for more. This is our third stop on our Central Mexico tour. We're having a great time, and every city has interesting things to do and see. And later, tomorrow probably, we'll do the Porter Report, where Mark Porter gives his insight on exactly what San Miguel de Allende means to him.
And perhaps we'll give you a tour of some of the outdoor things.
That too. Okay, have a good day, everybody. Ciao, adios, hasta luego.